What's up guys, this is Shwipto and you are watching Shwipto Tech. Once more all of you guys are greatly welcome to my channel, and in this video I am going to assemble the Cosmic bicycle in front of you so that it is very easy to unbox this cycle. In the previous video I have already unboxed this cycle in the previous video, and there I will going to make this cycle in front of you. So guys, hope you will enjoy this video. So let's start. So guys, this is the cycle that we have unboxed in the previous video. Here we get a manual book which will be very easy to understand. From this book, here you get all the detailed information, what instrument would you need during the assembly. I have already read this manual, and it is very important to read this manual before making the cycle. And in this video I will try to show you all the assembly purpose things in front of you. So guys, here is the rear wheel. Here is the rear wheel which is pre-assembled in the cycle. Here you can see 7 gears which are already fixed in the cycle. And here is a disc brake. Here is a disc brake which will make your cycle move forward, along with the stand which is already assembled. And this is another gear set in the front of the pedal. Here is the Cosmic branding, and it is well protected with the help of these cardboards. So let's move on to the front part for making it assembled. The front wheel is not at all fixed with it. You can see the front suspension you have already attached with it, but not the front wheel, or the handle is not attached with it. We have to attach the handle here. Here is the BMX bolt. You can see BMX system bolt. There are 2 bolts here which will make this cycle handle fixed. We have to give this bolt tight for keeping the handle fixed at a fixed position. Here is the main system where we will fix the handle. Here is the main system. Here are 4 bolts. You can see they are all we have to fix this big handle. Here are the direction are given. At the direction we have to fix the cycle. There is it is 31.8 millimeter. At this position the handle will be fixed. Here you can also see the gear set is pre-assembled. Here it is the front gear 1, 2 and 3. It is Shimano gear, and at this cycle here you also get 7 gear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in this manner. To move on making the handle fixed at the position, you will need an Allen key driver for fixing the front handle. It's look like this. It will cost you around 200. A good quality of Allen key driver. We generally need 4, 5 and 6 Allen key driver for fixing it, the front handle. So we are going to fix the front handle here. So this is the Allen key. It is number 4 millimeter. I will use this to make these bolts loose, so it will go like this in your handle, and I will make this to move your handle down. So after opening the front handle from here, the BMX bolt, we can get this one for keeping the handle fixed, and these 4 bolts with one washer for each. Here is the 4 millimeter Allen key driver which we open this. Now I will fix the handle. So we have to fix the handle here at this position. So this is the handle. Here you can see texture which show you how to fix the handle. We have to keep this at the middle to fix the handle clearly. So I will fix the handle here off. So like this you have to fix this here. You have to keep in mind that it will be at the middle. Then you have to take this one and fix it like this, such a way that the main texture at the target area will be at the middle. So now I will put the screws here and tight it with the help of the Allen key driver. So let's move on to that process. So like this you have to put and give it tight with the help of the 4mm Allen key driver. So here is the driver with the help of which I will give tight. And one thing keep in mind that we have to give it tight in a crisscross manner, one like this, then here and then here. So I am going forward and putting the Allen key driver here to make it tight. So you can see I have fixed these 4 bolts here in a crisscross manner. First this, then this, then this, then this. Here you can see the 0 are lying at this side, 0 and 0, and the line is just at the middle, the cross section. You can see just middle at the middle, and you can see, I hope, these zeros here which are at the same point, the same right. Now in this way we have fixed the handle, then we will move on to the other parts for fixing this. So guys, I have made the cycle such a way so that we can put the wheel at this position between these forks or the suspension of the shockers. At this position we will fix the wheel. Here is the disc brake accessory at where the disc will enter at this position. We should keep in mind that in the wheel there are mentioned the rotary signals. Here you can see the rotation side, rotation you can see. You have to see this at which direction it is rotating for fixing it down. You can also see in the disc brake, here it is also mentioned at this position that the circle will move in this way. So in making this sure, we will fix this wheel at the shocker. So I am putting this wheel at this place. I am managing somehow to enter this disc at this position so that it didn't harm any part of this. So in this way the wheel will go inside the shocker. It will go some deep in this fork to maintain the balance at here. And in here also same case, nothing more to show. Now I will fix this wheel at this fork. So as you can see, I have fixed the cycle wheel, front wheel here, and the disc brake at its position. Now to make it tight, as it is a imported cycle, so it has a special feature. We didn't have to make this nut out to keep this tight. We have given a clip in the accessory box which we will use to make these cycle wheels at a fixed position. The thing that we will use in case of this wheel, this is the thing that will keep the cycle wheels at the fixed position. Here it is a hole in the cycle wheels. You can see at the wheel. At this hole, this pipe will get enter. This pipe will get enter to make the cycle wheel balance. So these are the parts of the clip. Here it is a clip that will close like this and open like this. Here is another wheel that will keep the clip like this in this position to make it lock. And here is a spring that will spring up the system. And here will be another cap that I have kept aside. This is a cap that will be fixed like this here. Another spring is there at the side to keep the position in this type. There is another spring that will be there, and this cap will be at this position. So I will fix this thing at this position. So there on like this, it will enter from here. You can see like this and come out from here at this position, and we have to use another spring like this. You can see here, and now I am using this cap to fix it at the particular place in this manner. So here you see we have installed this cycle wheel. We have put the cycle lock here, and we have to remember that we have to close the lock at every time during ride, otherwise we will be in danger during the riding this cycle. So here is the closed position of the lock, and if we do like this, the position will be open. So we have fixed the front wheel. Next move on to the next type. This is the range. this is the pedal that we get along with the cycle. It is in a sealed manner. You can see I have not opened it till now. I wanted to open it in front of the camera so that you can see. So I will open it from here. They are full metal pedal. You can see they are full metal pedal with very oily in nature. And here is a reflector. Same, here is a reflector. There is a nut which will look to me take will 15 type of range, and that is, and there is another pedal of same kind. Here it is. Now I will going to fix it. So I will put this here and give it tight like this. So this is the hole in which this rod will enter, and here the seat will be fixed. So at first you have to enter the rod like this. Choose the position at which you will choose. I am using this. Here is a clip which will use to adjust the seat length, and here we get the seat. It is here you can see a Cosmic logo, and same thing here. We have to enter this like this, and in this way our seat will be fixed. So So this is the final finished cycle. I have already assembled all and every parts of the cycle, such as the handle, the reflector, and the other things such as the rear wheel, the pedal, the seat, and most of the things. It is ready for riding, and in the next video I will try to give a riding review of the cycle at the most possible days. So in this video, up to this, meet you in the next video with a full review. So guys, hope you enjoy this video, and I would like to mention that in the next video I will do a great review of this cycle. So guys, in this video, up to this, meet you in the next video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.